week, I showed you a technique I developed called the continuous split basic. This week, I'll be showing you how to make the stamens and assembly for the 5th technique project for my book, Peach Blossoms. Hi everyone, my name is Fen Lee, designer here at the Bead Flora studio and author to the book Bead Flora, the revival of French beaded flowers. On this channel, you'll find tip videos, free beaded flower tutorials, and technique videos just like this one. If you're new here and would like to learn more, consider subscribing. Last week, I showed you how to make the petals using the continuous split basic technique. And since I taught this project in the classroom, I will only show you the relevant techniques and not the full project. I'll put a link in the description with where you can get a copy of my book. It is also available through the Amazon Kindle Unlimited program. If you would like to check out the book, you can get a 30-day free trial. I've also put together a kit that I've listed in my Etsy shop. If you purchase the kit, you will get the full pattern along with the full video lessons. Today, I will show you how to make the stamens using the twisted wire fringe technique, and then I'll show you how to assemble the peach blossoms. Now we're going to work on the stamen. The technique we'll be using is the twisted fringe. I have 8 beads strung onto a 16-inch length of 26 gauge wire. I have a knot at one end here. At this end, leave a 3-inch tail. Move one bead down to the 1-inch mark. Cross the wires underneath the bead. Take your pliers and gently hold onto the bead without crushing it. Just gently make one twist. Twist these 2 wires down about 1/2 inch. Hold onto the neck with your pliers and twist with your other hand. Feed another bead down to the wire here. Bend the wire up, just so that it is about the same height as the first stamen. Now cross the wires again underneath the bead. Take your pliers, hold onto the side of the bead gently, and twist one time. And hold onto the neck and twist the wires. I'm going to keep going until I have all 8 stamens. If you ever get a stamen that is longer than the others, take the working wire and pull down on it until it becomes the same height. And here we have 8 one-bead twisted fringes. Now for bud assembly, place the calyx around the bud and twist the wires together. Take the fluoro tape and wrap around the wire here just about 1/2 inch or so. Let's assemble the blossom. Take the stamen and insert that into the hole of the petals here. Take all these wires and insert that into the hole of the calyx. Scissor the base of your flower and then twist the wires. Take the fluoro tape and wrap it around about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Now we have all of the components made and ready to assemble. To start, we're going to reserve a blossom and any 2 leaves. Put that in one pile. With the remainder, divide everything in half. So now we have 3 piles. Let's start with pile 1. Take one of the 12-gauge stem wires and wrap it with fluoro tape. Take 2 of leaf B and 1 of leaf A, or 2 of leaf A and 1 of leaf B. Have them positioned like this next to each other and place them right next to the stem wire and wrap them in with fluoro tape. Determine where you would like to add in your blossoms and leaves and then wrap them in with fluoro tape. Just like the last branch, add in the flowers and leaves however you please. I'm going to put 2 leaves on the top of this one, no rhyme or reason. So now I have both stems done. So take one of the stems and bend it slightly. And place it next to the first stem and wrap them both in with fluoro tape. And now I'm going to add in the blossom and the 2 leaves that I had reserved. There's something very satisfying about making little blossom flowers. You can make a simple branch and it doesn't take too much time. And if you want to make many branches, it comes together as an incredible display. Will you be making these peach blossoms soon? If you found value in today's tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you make any of my flowers, I would love to see them. Connect with me on Facebook or Instagram and join me and many other French beaders in the French Beaded Flowers Facebook group to show off your flowers. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!